Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I want to show you on how to make bread at home. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of yeast. After that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk powder. You'll then mix all the dry ingredients well so that they can be well combined. After that, you're going to add 3/4 cup of warm water. Then you're going to mix it until you form a nice dough. After mixing, your dough should be as shown in this video. It should be somehow sticky. Then you're going to add about 30 grams of margarine or butter. You're going to use your hands so that you can knead. After kneading the dough with margarine, it should be like this. It should be somehow sticky. Then after that, you're going to transfer it in a bowl. You'll then transfer the bread dough in a bowl which I had applied oil on it. You'll then cover the dough with a cling film and a kitchen cloth. After that, we're going to let it proof for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to uncover your dough. Then you're going to knead it so that you can remove excess air bubbles on it. After a good knead, you're going to mold the dough into a bread shape as shown in this video. Then you're going to transfer it on a baking tin. You'll then let the bread dough to proof for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour you're going to bake it on a preheated oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, you're going to remove your bread. As you can see, ours turned out so well. So you're going to remove it from the tin and let it cool completely before cutting. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always choosing Terry's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for choosing Terry's Kitchen, and please do hit the notification button so that you won't miss any upload. As you can see from this video, our bread turned out so well. It looks so delicious. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make bread at home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.